In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up event reminders via email in Google Calendar. This can be incredibly handy to keep organized and ensure you never miss an important meeting or appointment again. Whether you're managing a busy work schedule, tracking family events, or juggling multiple commitments, Google Calendar is a fantastic tool for staying on top of all your tasks. So let's dive right in and walk you through each step of the process, making it as clear and simple as possible. First, you'll need to head over to your Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and going to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials to gain access to your calendar. Once you've logged in, you'll see your weekly or monthly calendar view depending on your settings. Here you can easily navigate to the specific event for which you'd like to set up a reminder. With your event in sight, go ahead and click to open it. This action will bring up all the details associated with that particular event, such as the date, time, and any descriptions you've added. Look for the pencil icon, usually located in the top section of the event card. This icon is your gateway to editing all the fields related to your event, and it's what you'll click to start the customization process. Once you're in the edit mode, it's time to add a notification. Locate the add notification option within the interface. Clicking this will allow you to decide how you'd like to receive your reminder. Google Calendar provides various notification types, but in this case you want to select the email option. This choice means you'll get a reminder sent directly to your inbox, ensuring it doesn't get lost among other alerts that might pop up on your devices during the day. Next, you'll need to determine when you want to receive this notification. Google Calendar offers several time options ranging from minutes to days before the event. Consider how much advance notice you typically need. For instance, if it's an important meeting, you might want a reminder an hour before, giving you ample time to prepare. Make your selection based on what will give you the most peace of mind. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. At the top of the window, you'll see the Save button. Clicking this ensures that all your preferences are recorded and that your email reminder is now active. Exiting without saving means you'll have to start from scratch, so double check that everything looks right before moving on. And that's it. You've now successfully created an email reminder for your event in Google Calendar. This simple yet effective feature helps keep your days organized and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Thanks for watching and happy planning.